What's good, guys and gals? Chris here with West Coast Harley-Davidson. We are your largest pre-owned Harley-Davidson dealership in Northern California. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic in the Superior Blue. This bike has just over 10,000 miles on it. We did do the 10K service. It also has fresh tires front and back. So of course 2017 was the first year for that Milwaukee 8 motor. Black and chrome finish, went to an 8-valve head. So 4 valves per cylinder head, 1 single cam pulling the load, black and chrome finish, and you got that classic cruise drive transmission. Up front, you got the nice cast wheel, Brembo dual disc brakes. Does have standard ABS. Got the nice retro style light bar on there, nice clean look to it. And it does have the Harley-Davidson Daymaker lights, being the single light that rode up like no one's business. Nice chrome cap on the front fender. Got the chrome Ultra there. Here's another better look at that silver and blue pinstripe. 6-gallon fuel tank standard on this bike. Of course, you got the locking saddle bags and tour pack. These tour packs are nice. You can actually fit 2 full-size helmets in there. So you got the organizer there as well. Nice retractable cable. Don't worry about getting caught in the lid. LED lights in the rear. Lights up like a Christmas tree. Already got the nice upgraded luggage rack on the back. Plenty of room for mama back there. And as you can see by now, this does have the Stage 2 boom audio system in there. It has about a $2,000 upgrade with the amps and everything installed. Also has the nice chrome switch housings, all the chrome covers. Of course, it's got the boom audio system. It does have the audible alarm as well. Give us a call or stop in and see us. We are located right off the 101 in Main Street in Salinas. Once again, this is Chris at West Coast Harley-Davidson. 831-731-5066. Stop in and see the difference.